Hello students, today we solve some problems from probability. That's a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of a spade, a face card, a black card. So here ace is equals to a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Right, that means 52C1 is equals to 52. Now first part, a spade, that means A is equals to a spade, out of 52, 13 spade out of 52 cards, so we have to select a spade out of 13. C1 is, that means 13. So therefore the probability of A is equals to what? 13. That means even points of A whole divided by even points of S, that means 52 is equals to 154. This is the answer. Come to the second part. Second part is a face card. So B is equals to a face card. So next, previous class we discussed about 52 cards division. So out of 52 cards, there are 12 face cards. Out of 52, right? So we can select a face card out of 12. 12C1, that means 12 boys. Therefore, probability of B what is equals to 12 by 52. That means it's 3 by 13. 3 by 13. This is the answer. Come to the third part. A black card. So C is equals to a black card. So out of 52 cards, there are 26 black cards. (52 cards out of 52 cards). So we can select a black card out of 26. 26 C1 is, that means 26. Therefore the probability of C what? 26 by 52, that means 1 by 2. This is the answer. If you any doubt about the cards, check the previous class card division.